वेलकम टू इग्नू वाला। यह असाइनमेंट इग्नू वाला द्वारा डेवलप किया गया है इन एसोसिएशन विद नीरज पब्लिकेशंस, publishing the largest range of chapter-wise reference books, including many solved sample question papers for various IGNOU courses. Now, let's start studying the assignment for the subject code BEGE 142, Understanding Drama. Let's start discussing section A. Write short notes on the following. Part 1. Theatre of the Absurd. Let's discuss the answer. इन प्लेज में ड्रामेटिस्ट्स ने यूज किए हैं इलॉजिकल सिचुएशंस, अनकन्वेंशनल डायलॉग और मिनिमल प्लॉट्स एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए एपरेंट absurdity ऑफ द ह्यूमन एग्जिस्टेंस। द वर्क्स ऑफ वेल नोन ड्रामेटिस्ट जैसे कि सैमुअल बेकेट, यूजिन लोनोस्को, जीन जेनेट, आर्थर एडमोव, हेरोल्ड पिंटर और कुछ अदर have been classified under the absurd theatre. ड्रामेटिक एक्शन जैसे कि कन्वेंशनली एसोसिएट होता है थिएटर के साथ और प्ले करता है स्मॉल डोजेस ऑल्दो द प्लेयर्स कंटिन्यू टू परफॉर्म। ये एक तरीका है कन्वे करने का दैट वट एवर दे डिड नथिंग विल चेंज द एग्जिस्टेंस और फेट। Dialogues usually unconventional है, language dislocated है, and there are generous doses of riches panzer repetitions, cliches. The absurd theatre ये एक designation है for the particular plays of absurdist fiction written by a number of primarily European playwrights in the 1950s. Moving on to the next part, classical Sanskrit theatre. Let's discuss the answer. The origin of classical Indian drama predated around Gupta period. The literary compositions of this period were complicated and many layered. Play endowed rahe with the cleaning, clashing philosophies of life and art. भारत ड्रामेटिक थ्योरी रिकॉग्नाइज करती है इमोशनल और एथिकल इंस्ट्रक्शन को अफोर्डेड बाय द स्पेक्टिकल ऑफ द थिएटर। Rasa denotes an essential emotional state for aesthetic appreciation. They are eight in number: the erotic, heroic, comic, marvelous, horrible, the furious, the pathetic, and the disgusting. Moving on to section B, answer the following questions. Discuss the theme of social responsibility in All My Sons. Let's discuss the answer. Arthur Miller stated the issue of relatedness in the main one in All My Sons. Play introduce करता है questions को जो involve करते हैं individuals के obligations to society, personal responsibility and the distinction between the private and public matter. Keller can live with his actions during the war because he sees herself as answerable only to himself and his family, not to society as a whole. Theme of social responsibility. Miller points out the flaw with the merely economic interpretation of the American dream as business success alone. Keller sacrifice करती है other parts of the American dream for economic success. Has he given up part of the basic human decency and successful family life? Moving on to the next part, discuss the title Halfway House. The play Halfway House was originally written in Hindi in 1968, first performed in 1969 and published in an act in 1971. ये lines reflect करती हैं on one of the central characters' feeling of having a different view of the world and reality than others. वो feel करती हैं that she is the only one able to perceive it accurately. The play also portrays a stark difference between the female character's perception of reality compared to that of the males, proposing a gendered perspective. Moving on to the next part, comment on the broad movements in the trial of Didin Kimathi. Let's discuss the answer. There are three movements in the trial of Didin Kimathi written by Ngugi wa Thiong'o and Mercier Myogo. ये देता है प्ले को प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर। पहले मूवमेंट में द पिक्चर ऑफ एक्सप्लॉइटेशन बाय द colonial administration is presented, while in case of the white district officer, Waitina shouts orders to black soldiers. He attempts to use force on the women, but the arrival of soldiers startles him and he flees. The second movement open करती है with a court scene where Dedin Kimathi is being charged with a treason for possessing a revolver gun. Story continue करती है with the reenactment of black history where the glory tale of slavery and colonialism is projected. देन फाइनल सीन में जज प्रोनाउंस करता है डेथ सेंटेंस फॉर देदान कीमाती एंड लीव्स. As he is taken out, the boy and girl brings out the gun and points it at the soldier. There is commotion, which is followed by freedom song. The soldiers flee and the workers sing gloriously their freedom song. Moving on to section C. Answer the following question. Discuss the Newgigi's ideology and the world view. Let's discuss the answer. उनके अकॉर्डिंग लिटरेचर और पॉलिटिक्स काफी क्लोजली लिंक्ड रहते हैं क्योंकि दोनों ही डील करते हैं विद द लिविंग मेन विमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन के साथ. Thus, उन्होंने लिखा about the event Momo, which has affected most people in the history of Kenya. He believed that the aim of literature is not only to entertain but also to persuade the readers and the audience. Thus, उन्होंने chronicle factual details of the past events को describe किया, but साथ ही साथ adopt किया position on these events. वो लिखते हैं writers in politics, what is important is the attitude and the worldview embodied in work which he has persuaded us to identify. उन्होंने project किया opposition को between the forces of imperialism and capitalism, a small class of have supported by transactional monopoly capital as well as the forces of national liberalism and society. Moving on to the next question. Discuss the various types of stages. Let's discuss the answer. Different periods के according ड्रामा को अलग अलग ब्रॉड कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया जा सकता है which includes classical theatre, native drama, renaissance drama, Elizabeth drama, Shakespeare and contemporaries, Jacobean and Caroline, the neoclassical period of Restoration drama, drama in 18th, 19th and 20th century, Greek theatre. Amphitheatre theatre were used to stage plays in ancient Greek. Amphitheatres के round stage होते थे, about 3/4 of which were surrounded by the audience. वो काफी large थे and could accommodate up to 25,000 people at once. स्टेज जो यूज होते थे वो डिस्क्राइब करते थे रियल लैंडस्केप को surrounding the amphitheater. Plays were performed in daylight. The actors spoke in a loud declamatory voice. The Greek theatre saw changes under Roman influence. The stage became lower by a few feet but deeper. The front of the stage became highly decorative even as it lost its colonnade. The orchestra was no longer a complete circle. Actors को training मिली dance dialogue और pantomime में. Native drama, mysteries and moralities played during the medieval period were staged on wagons during religious festivities. The wagons had to stop marketplace for the performance and the audience surrounding it. सारे mystery plays were staged out of the doors. The convenient था because of the simultaneous setting or multiple setting. After the liturgical plays become the part of mystery cycle. The small platforms developed into mansions or little room by using curtains at the sides and back. Stages काफी decorative थे with a scenic view. Restoration stage को डिस्कस करें. During the 17th and 19th centuries, theatre काफी smaller थे than the Elizabethan theatre. ये almost 500 people को एक साथ accommodate कर सकते थे. Dramas were staged in closed room. Artificial lightnings को use किया गया stage के ऊपर. Moving on to the next question. Discuss the character of Joe Keeler. Joe was a traditional, amiable father figure. Joe is uneducated and a middle-aged father. उनके neighbors थे named Jim and Frank. Her wife is younger than Joe. In the play, he was shown a man who loves his family very much. उनको काफी pride था अपने business में. He had run a successful business for decades. Joe's neighbor and partner became victims of Joe cunning planning. He became slaved for delivering faulty parts for cylinders of aeroplanes. Keller shoots himself at the end of the play, thus he created sympathy in the eyes of the audience. Although he has been dead for some years by the start of the play, Larry is as much as a character in the play anyone who actually appears on the stage. उनका disappearance haunt करता है उनकी family को through his mother's superstitious belief in his return as well as through his brother's worry but measured rejection of Larry's claim on his childhood sweetheart. लाइक अ कॉमन अमेरिकन वो हार्ड वर्किंग है और उन्होंने अकम्प्लिश किया बेसिक ट्रेड्स को लेकिन सेम टाइम पर वो ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है. जब वो रियलाइज करते हैं दैट सिलेंडर्स हिज फैक्ट्री हैज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड वो डिफेक्टिव है ही स्टिल शिप्स देम टू द आर्मी. व्हेन ही इज ट्राइड फॉर fraudulence he slyly puts the blame on his partner and friend Steve Denver. ये इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि defective shipment had 21 young US pilots lost their life in spite of knowing that he does not surrender to guilt, resulting in the suicide of his son Larry, who is too an army pilot and ashamed of his father's action. Moving on to the next question. Attempt a character sketch of Didin Kimathi. Didin Kimathi has been presented in the play as the leader of freedom fighters in Kenya. उन्हें प्रोजेक्ट किया गया as a daring and courageous person और उनका ultimate goal था freedom of his people. Dedan Kimathi is a high priest of Momo. He also had been projected more of a general character as the leader of freedom fighter rather than specific individual. We agreed that the most important thing for us was to reconstruct imaginatively our history, envisioning the world of Momo and Kimathi in terms of peasants and workers' struggle before and after the constitutional independence. The play एक reproduction है of the partial trial at Nairi, एक rather imaginative recreation or interpretation of the collective will of the Kenya peasants and workers in their refusal to break under 60 years of colonial torture. ये इस ऑथर के डिस्क्रिप्शन से भी क्लियर है that the women represent all the working mothers. She is between 30 and 40 years of age with a mature but youthful face, strongly built, good looking. वो एक pleasant women cloth और barefoot रहती हैं. Though apparently वो एक simple peasant है, the woman is obvious, world wise and perceptive of behavior and society. Although उनके actions उनके control में है, her body and her mind are fully alert. The story of the girl is not given in such details as that of a boy, however, she is presented as the representative of girls in Kenya. Soldiers' के characters, the priest, the banker, the Indian, and politician have been presented in the typical mode. They represent their class. They speak on behalf of their community or class. असाइनमेंट एंड ऐसे और इग्नू सॉल्व असाइनमेंट्स को डाउनलोड करने के लिए विजिट करें हमारी वेबसाइट ignoovala.com। अब आप नीरज पब्लिकेशंस की इग्नू बेस्ड चैप्टर वाइज रेफरेंस बुक्स विद सॉल्व सैंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर्स पर पा सकते हैं अप टू 50 प्लस 15% एडिशनल डिस्काउंट की ऑफर। इस ऑफर को अवेल करने के लिए विजिट www.neerajbooks.com today. For more updates and information related to IGNU, please subscribe and also comment below if you have any feedback and which assignment do you want to see next. Thank you for watching.